I have some raw, just plain organic shea butter, nothing else added to it, just shea butter. I'm gonna use about half a cup of this, and I'm also gonna use a little less than half a cup of coconut oil, and I'm going to melt these two down until they're translucent. Well, not until they're completely translucent. I'm only going to simmer my water and then allow my butter and the oil to melt just enough so that way I can stir it in and everything can melt completely. I don't let it boil. I don't let it get too hot, because after all, I do not want to cook out all of the good ingredients of this, okay? And so this is what it looks like completely. I let it sit and I just kept stirring it. And now I'm going to take a full cup of the Dead Sea Salt scrub mixture. You can find this on Amazon or any little shops that have them. And I'm going to add my completely melted shea butter and coconut oil as well to this. And you can whip this scrub or you could just let it sit like I'm going to do. To this, I'm going to add tea tree. Most people already know about the wonderful benefits of tea tree. I'm also going to add some geranium, which is great for soothing the skin and giving the skin a nice healthy glow. I also love frankincense. Frankincense really does soothe those razor bumps and help give you a nice even skin tone. So I'm going to add some drops of that, and just to give this a nice little scent, I'm adding some wintergreen oil and some warm vanilla sugar. And so it's just like a sweet forest. This is pretty much what it smells like to me. It smells wonderful in the shower, a great aromatherapy, relaxing type of vibe. So I'm gonna make sure I incorporate all these ingredients very well by stirring them. And you can use a spatula, honey. I grabbed a fork. It's just mine, so no big deal. And now I'm just gonna add some pretty rose petals because they also smell very nice. It's not too heavy, not very overpowering or anything like that. And it just looks so beautiful when you're, you know, in the shower scrubbing yourself and you have like these luxurious petals all over your body. So I really do like it. And I put this in the refrigerator so it could get cold. You could just let it sit and get a little hard. And this is the result of my sea salt scrub after I transferred it to my jar. And I love these jars. I found these at Hobby Lobby. I don't shop there anymore, but they have a spoon and all of that, which is great because you can just scoop it out, apply it to your skin versus, you know, digging your hands actually into the whole entire jar. These keep very well as long as you try to avoid allowing water to get into them, because after all, these scrubs are completely natural. So yeah, but I never worry about them going bad because I use them so much. So yeah, just nice, soft, and glowing skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.